will show students how they can upload a picture to an assignment posted by a teacher in Schoology. So I'm already logged in into my sample student account by the name of Bobby Test 1, and you'll see this is my current dashboard of classes that I have in Schoology in the sample student account. So the first thing you would do is navigate to the assignment. So I'm going to go into the Sandbox training course where the assignment is set up, and you'll see that this top assignment, student picture upload for Schoology assignments, is the assignment that we're going to be using. So if I now click on the assignment title, it'll bring me to the page for the assignment. So you can see in the directions it says please upload a picture of your work for the assignment. Please make sure that the photo is clear and able to be read. So from here, I am now going to go through and click the Submit Assignment button over on the right-hand side of the screen. When I do that, we're going to get this new pop-up dialog box that shows up. And in the first window, it gives me the option to either add a comment here, to upload an audio or video recording, or I can attach a file here. So if I already have my picture taken with my camera and saved either to my home directory on my computer or saved in Google Drive, I'm going to show both ways of how we can upload from there. So let's say that you had the file saved or the picture saved on your home computer. What you would now do is click on that file button, and it's going to bring up the file navigation tool. I'm using a Mac right now, so it might look a little bit different than what you would see for Windows, but same sort of idea. So I'm going to go to where it's saved. So I go into the folder where it's saved, and you'll see that I have one file called sample homework picture for this Schoology upload video that I'm creating for you guys. So if I wanted to, I can go through and open that one up, and you'll see that it will now upload that picture to my Schoology submit assignment window. So if that's not if you don't have the file saved on your home computer, or if you have it saved in your Google Drive or somewhere else, I'm just going to get rid of that one and remove it. And we have two other options now of how we can do this. If we were going to go through and we click on the Create button, this is where you could type a response back. But instead, I'm going to go to now the Resources button over here on the side, which is where we can access anything that's stored in our Google Drive account. So you would have had to make sure that you first approved Google Drive to work with Schoology, which you can find directions for doing that in one of the earlier videos that I've posted. But once it's approved, you can now click on the Apps button, and you'll see that Google Drive resource is what we have here. Okay, and once that is selected, and it was already selected, but selected again, you'll see it brings up any of the files that are accessible to use for this type of assignment. So I had saved that same sample homework picture to my Google, or to the sample student's Google Drive, and I can now select that file, and I can import the file from here, or you can click the import button from up top. So once the file is imported, it will now be submitted automatically for me when I import the file. All right, we could also, if you don't have the correct file, now we can also go in and view what file has been submitted. So once I click on the assignment, you'll see this is the handwritten or the picture of the handwritten answers to a math assignment that I used for this example. Or if you're not happy with what's been uploaded, you can click the Resubmit Assignment button, and it will bring up that same dialog box that or pop-out window that you saw a moment ago, and you'll notice that now in the top corner it says Revision 2. So hopefully that helped, and anyone who has questions about how to upload a picture to a teacher's Schoology assignment, this video should help you get going in the right direction. Thanks, and have a great day.